Morning arrives with the alarm clock ringing relentlessly at 6 o'clock. He arrives at the bright factory hall at 6:45, ready for a new day full of challenges and satisfaction. First stop, the locker room. Here, he changes his street clothes for the mandatory protective equipment, a metallic gray jumpsuit, steel-toe boots, safety glasses and noise-canceling headphones. Properly equipped, the operator heads towards the CNC machine's control center. Here, an imposing machine awaits him, ready to bring technical drawings to life. Before starting work, a thorough inspection of the machine is vital. At 7 o'clock, the operator carefully checks the oil level, the condition of the cutting nozzles, the alignment of the tools, and the functioning of the cooling system. Any anomaly, no matter how small, must be fixed before starting production. After making sure the machine is in perfect working order, the operator uploads the cutting file into the computerized system. On the monitor screen, a detailed simulation of the machining process comes to life. Every movement of the machine, every trajectory of the cutting tool is carefully analyzed and verified. At 7:30, it's time to mount the metal sheet on the CNC machine's work table. Using an overhead crane or a vacuum clamping system, the operator secures the metal plate with millimeter precision. Next is the calibration of the cutting nozzle, setting the cutting parameters, feed rate, cutting depth, assist gas pressure, depending on the material characteristics and the complexity of the part to be machined. 8 o'clock, everything is ready. The operator presses the start button and the CNC machine comes to life, executing the programmed movements with precision and speed. A hypnotic dance of cutting tools, metal sparks and coolant jets fills the production hall. The operator's attention is fully focused throughout the entire cutting process. He constantly monitors the working parameters, checks the condition of the tools, and intervenes promptly to replace a worn-out milling cutter or to adjust a cutting parameter. After an intense morning of work, the siren rings at 10 o'clock, announcing the coffee break. It's the perfect time for a short relaxation, a hot coffee, and a chat with colleagues about the latest news in the field or weekend plans. 15 minutes later at 10:15, the operator returns to the control panel. The CNC machine waits patiently, ready to resume work. The operator removes the machined parts, labels them accordingly, and prepares a new metal sheet for cutting. The lunch break, between 12 and 12:30, offers a welcome respite. The afternoon is dedicated to serial production. The CNC operator continuously feeds the machine with raw material, periodically checks and adjusts the working parameters, ensuring a constant flow of finished parts. The materials used, the cutting parameters, the number of parts produced, and any problems encountered. At 3 o'clock, production stops. It's time for cleaning and final checks. The operator cleans the machine's work table, removes metal shavings and material scraps, checks the oil level and the condition of the tools again. Everything must be perfect for the next day. At 3:30, he says goodbye to his colleagues and leaves the production hall. Another challenging day has come to an end.